Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be discussing another topic in Power BI that is called interactions. Interactions play a very important role in your day-to-day activities in when you're creating Power BI reports. That helps us to apply the filters on few visualizations and not to impact other visualizations. So how do we use interactions? So we'll see it today. So here, as I told you in the last session that whenever we apply the filters, let's say if I select this filter, it will impact all the visualizations whatever we have here. So this one and this one, whatever filters you have, it's all up to you. Provided like if all three are using the same filter panel, I have not specifically created a visual level filter specifically, that's a different thing. So if I have a filter here, it will be applicable to all the visualizations. But as per my requirement, let's say if I say we can do a lot of things here in the slicers basically. So we can have slicer controls, we have select all options, all these things just to have your clear picture. So here I have selected all. So basically you can see that whenever I'm changing this filter, it is impacting pie chart and the bar chart both. But I don't want to do that. So what I want, whenever I change or my users change these filters, that should only impact this particular visualization bar chart, or a second chart, a third one or fourth one, whatever, like say if I have any. So let's say if I create another line chart just to show you. So here I'm doing interactions. Okay, so here you have, now let's say I'll have expenses. Somewhere is expenses here, or let's say I'll have order quantities. Okay, so order quantities, I'll have values, and here I'll have order date. Okay, so I got this year, quarter, months, and all that as per your requirement. Okay, so you can have this order date specifically if you're having day to day, and you can use this hierarchy and then specify this, I don't want this, and then you can have year and month. Okay, now as I told you that I don't want this filter to be impacting the pie chart. It should only impact this one and this one. Okay, so what should we do? This thing we can easily do it with the help of interactions. People who are learning Power BI or people who are new to these kind of reporting technologies, this is very important kind of requirement, where one set of filters should be applicable to few visualizations, and that should not impact all other visualizations, or let's say remaining 1, 2, or 3 visualizations. So here in Power BI, how do we do that? So with the help of interactions, we do this. So I'll go to this particular chart visualization, this slicer. I'll go to format, and I have edit interactions. So when I click on edit interactions, you will see a couple of icons like populating. For this particular slicer, when I have clicked on this particular slicer, which is region, except this, all other visualizations are showing me 2 icons. One is this circle, which is having this line which normally says none. Okay, second one means filter. Okay, same way for all the visualizations. So what I don't want this chart, this particular visualization, I don't want this particular slicer to impact the pie chart. So what should I do? I'll just click on this. Okay, none. Same thing I will do it for, let's say, this particular card which I have added inside pie chart, this none. Okay, I don't want to have any kind of issues with these 2 visualizations. Basically, this, whenever I apply this slicer, it should impact this line chart and the bar chart. Okay, so that's okay, fine. I'll just click on this again, it's gone. Okay, now you will see it. If I click on this particular filters, here you see bar chart is changing, line chart is changing, but no impact on the pie chart or the card. Now we have another kind of requirement. Where if I click on this particular chart, you will see that a line chart changed. So this is showing you the trend of only central region. This is showing you the trend on the sections and the sector wise sales or profit, whatever we have taken here, only for central. This is only for east, this is only for west, this is only for south. So based on this selections, also the other visualizations are getting impacted. I don't want this chart, bar chart, to impact pie chart. So what should I do? I'll select the bar chart here. I'll go back to format. I'll select edit interactions. Now we'll have basically 3 different kind of icons. Earlier we were having 2 icons, but here we have 3 icons. When I have clicked on the bar chart, I will see for the pie chart, I will say 3 icons. First is none, second is filter, highlight, basically highlight, third is filter. So what will happen if I select this one? What will happen? Whatever I select here, it will not impact the pie chart. Right now, whatever is highlighted, which one is selected, highlight. That's the reason what is happening. Whenever I click on this, the highlighted amount is showing up here. Okay. Third thing is filter. Let's say if I click on this, then what will happen? Let's see. So when I click on this, here you see only that particular region is selected. Only that particular region in this particular pie chart. Okay, or donut chart. Okay. So this way, what is happening here? Only the filters are happening. So now if I click on this, add it to interactions, if I select this, then what will happen? You will see the filtering is happening. I'm not only getting East, I'm getting the total sales of East only. Here you see that is getting highlighted. If I click on West, that gets highlighted. When I click on South, it gets highlighted. It's not filtering only that particular item. So this is called highlighting. And none means no matter whatever you select, it won't impact this particular visualization. So this is very important in your day-to-day activities. I normally prefer filter or highlight based on the requirement, but filter is basically the requirement where your users, whenever they click on something, instantly they get, oh, this is the share, this is the results for this particular selections, and so on. Okay, in the same line chart, if you see, this is showing me the trend of central region only. Okay, it's not showing me east, west, south and all that. Okay, so here like this. So this is very important requirement. Interactions play a very, very important role when we are working in our day-to-day dashboarding, day-to-day reporting, and based on these reports only our users will be taking better decisions. That's what we have to empower them. See, the whole purpose of doing all these things, reports, dashboards, working with data and all that, is just to empower your users, empower your business decision makers to take a better decision for their business. And that is why we are helping them with the help of Power BI or Tableau or any other kind of technology, data analytics, data science. Okay, so that's all from my side for this particular part. So interactions is very, very important. Make sure to follow this. I hope you might have learned something new. And if you have learned something, then please do share with your peers, your friends, your colleagues, so that they can also learn something new. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead.